Questions for Unit PEF Activity 2. So for the first question, I think that something, an object that has static electric charge would not work at all in this scenario. As we saw from the experiment, the static electric charge tape attracted everything, metal, wood, and plastic, although a large metal magnet bar wouldn't be a good idea either because magnets only attract certain metals. So if you're trying to separate metals from nonmetals, you'd have to find something else. A magnet would be the better of the two, but still not the best. And then for number two, I put static electric charge is considered one-ended. I think that no matter what side the object is hitting, there will be a static electric charge while a magnet has two sides. I think that's why they refer to a magnet as two-ended. You have the one side that attracts other magnets slash magnetic objects, while the other side repels magnet slash magnetic objects. For number three, I think that whatever causes an object to be magnetic lies inside the object itself. Because we saw during the experiment when the magnets were rubbed together, they were still attracted to each other. It's not on the surface. I think that what causes an object to have static, so for anything that is attracted to a magnet, it's not on the surface, it's like in the actual object itself. Whereas we saw with the static electric charge, it lies on the surface because, as we saw in the experiment, that when the person rubbed the surface of the tape, the object that held the static electric charge originally, it then lost the static electric charge. So that lies on the surface where the magnet is inside. Magnetic charge is inside the object. And for the last question, I have the interactions involving charged objects and including magnets are technically similar. So the static electric objects and the magnetic objects are technically similar because they both attract and or repel other objects, but they are different because magnetic interactions have objects interacting in the magnetic field and involve magnetic potential energy, while static electric interactions involve static electric field and use static potential energy. Since the only similar thing about the static electric interactions and magnetic interactions is that they attract or repel, I think they should be treated as two separate interactions. Static electric objects involve attracting other objects, where magnetic interactions only involve objects that have magnetic charges or are only attracted to anything magnetic. And that's it.